Brandon made it from Kansas.
We got the banner on there too.
Got the banner. That's the Risen Kansas banner. Like they designed that. They came up with it. They made it. This makes Keegan Super look like ass. Oh, morning.
Good morning.
Hey, you might wanna,
I don't know what you filmed today. Welcome to Gat.
You must get this deal. I get a cloak radio. Cannot afford. Great success.
We're about to hit the tail of the dragon. First time ever. This year we're all dialed in. We got Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, all new Brembo brakes, pads, rotors, and then an alignment and a fresh oil change. So car's ready to go. I'm ready to go.
Scenery's crazy.
Scenery doesn't match up to how beautiful my buddy Keegan over there is on the top of his Supra.
hello. Lying to.
Oh, and the guy Drew, he just took a shit over there in the porta potty.
Yeah, you know they bring them troubles up. Yeah.
Holy shit, man. This is a road.
You know what? Yeah. Dude, I am freaking amazing. That was literally every turn. It's like it was just like on rails, bro. Like Type R's are just the best car.
I couldn't even imagine driving a different car.
I couldn't do it in another car. I don't trust any other car with that. My car was just diving into everything. I love the curve down and then the up.
Yeah, how they.
When everyone's like, Tail of the Dragon's the best or awesome or whatever, I've always been like, it's a road, right? Like,
it's not just a road.
No, it can't be that cool. Like, it's just a road, dog.
It's like a perfectly paved, best environment. Like,
I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna chill on the way down. Intercooler, Midnight Purple GTR, HKS power. It's a JDM build, it's quality.
Just a Subaru in its natural habitat. What are we doing, bro?
We're trying to hang out. Bro! Did you get that on camera?
Yes.
Dude, this better not be cooked, bro.
Nah, let's go, Gatlinburg! Nah, you're good. It's a Varus.
What does that even mean, bro?
No, and the logo is good too.
I hit my entire frame on that thing pulling in.
Oh, dude, we got some PPF. We got some PPF showing.
The logo saved it or what?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, dude.
Here's some love, bro.
Hey,
come on, give me a hug.
It's all love.
Okay. Oh wow. Is this sequential? So only up and down? That's crazy. This is wild.
It's my dash.
Oh, you got a tablet for a dash. Cluster. I'd like a ride in this car.
Tank.
Are you an E85?
Yeah.
So where are you getting your gas from?
I brought it, but I'm already almost down.
Yeah, our guy Willie in the red STI, he's on pure E. He's had to go to the station every day.
Damn, the shifts are crispy.
I don't know. I totally just freeballed that. I didn't even really.
Yo, at least squeeze. I hate
So
Yeah.
Ethan's getting his banner installed professionally by a Risen Wraps
I would
installer.
low key peel your side off slow
But if
as
it comes out crooked, it wasn't a professional Risen Wraps installer. Me. It's lit.
It's definitely a flex. The same owner. Blitz 03s,
Will-
owns 2 of these.
Will is just killing it, bro.
They put the SR in the BRZ, man. It's crazy. There you go. Brandon, this is a project car for you, bro.
Oh yeah, I saw. Did you see Jarek Mai here? Celebrity. We got a celebrity.
Oh, man.
This is a Vietnamese
Well, he's
racist.
irrelevant, bro.
No, I'm irrelevant. No,
No.
15 minutes, bro.
Dume guy, bro.
Jared.
That's crazy.
I know. Safely? What's going on? I don't know about safely, to be honest, bro. I literally 15 minutes into my drive, I got into an accident.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all's car's good?
Nah, it's good, thankfully. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
no, but you still make content.
Yeah. I get it. I fell off, but you can calm down.
I never
just-
followed you, but like I've seen you pop up.
Sorry, Lenny.
Oh my god.
This one has a Jay-Z in it. That is insane. And then Austin's car is insanely clean as well.
I miss you, Bryce. Why too? Is that you?
I've been sitting cutting might see somebody like it coming. I've been living life like fuck you. Think I'm
Is that gonna work?
All right, tryhards. Oh yeah. Oh man. You want to hit it right to the flag?
Okay. Ready. That's great.
They got the white ball in.
Pretty freaking cool. Reminds me of like a drift car. Little RC car or something with the green.
Our only car from Risen is Will in the show, which is, we're super proud of him, super sick. But this show is really hectic. It's starting to get really packed and yeah, it's a little stressful. But enjoy the show, look at the cars, and have a good time.
I've been here since 8 a.m. So I'm tired.
Any compliments on the car?
Yes, and I got this little cat thing. It took the shit out.
What? Perfect. I like the color.
And then drove here.
From where?
And
Like out of
trailer in
state?
that car, like 4 or 5 hours.
Oh, so this thing's static. That's insane. That is absolutely insane.
climbing up the ladder, yeah, you know that we will never stop. All these niggas hating are the same ones watching when we drop. Me and all of my amigos, yeah, we bad and bullshit. Double B, madness, nigga, you know that we never losing. You don't get to pick who your bros are, nigga, there ain't no choosing. Hop up in the car, skirt the corner, then we get to boosting.
car show will not be allowed back in Sevierville. Hundreds of people gathered in Pigeon Forge after that event. You see that here in this video.
Jimmy's Market and the Strip, complete takeover, absolutely ruined Gatlinburg. It ended the show completely for day 2, today Sunday. The only thing people are doing, even though everyone's spirits are beat, is coming out to the brick lot, which they finally opened. This was shut down all week for whatever reason.
Why you nervous? Why you scared?
Oh my guys!
Hello.
I didn't recognize you guys for a second. Hey, how are you?
Different car.
Okay.
Doesn't seem like it's that.
Peak performance right here, guys.
This looks like maximum.
How wide are the rears?
20 by 14.
14?
I think the rear's like negative 30. The fronts are like negative 79, I think.
Ship a car to me so I can wrap it for you for free. Yeah.
Do it. I also don't know if I want to wrap this thing again, but
Any of your cars in.
maybe Dead Bears, I don't know.
Let me know, bro. I'll wrap it. So we have 30 minutes to vacate.
Parking lot is now closed. Please proceed to the exit off of Jake Thomas. You're here in 30 minutes. You will be arrested for criminal trespassing.
He's famous, right? The cops are finally here! Run! We made it inside the Jimmy's Market, but they don't want us here. So we're undercover as NPCs. Alright guys, last day of GAT. Well, it's not really the last day of GAT. Last day of GAT was yesterday. We're leaving today. It's all over. Finally get to go home. Everybody here had a lot of fun. We made a lot of content, made a lot of memories. Kind of beat. I've been filming a lot on, you know, short form this week, but luckily we've had Trey filming a lot for us. So look at that. More people coming up the mountain. There's Robert. Currently about to put Willie's car in a trailer because something's wrong with it. We have to trailer it home, one of our risen guys. But this was a great trip other than all the stupid stuff that happened down in Pigeon Forge or Jimmy's Market. A lot of the people that were in the show, including vendors and businesses, got screwed over from the actions of the childish behavior. This is most likely our last year at GAT. It's pretty upsetting, but as you guys can see, we had a lot of fun on this trip, trying to make the best out of it. I did get to hit the tail of the dragon for the first time with the best car that I've ever owned. I wouldn't want to do it with any other car, so super happy with that. If you guys enjoyed this video, I know I wasn't in it too much, but I want to show you guys more of the team, the family that I deal with, that I live with, and that I get to enjoy these type of things with, because if it wasn't for the team or the family, the car scene wouldn't be the same to me as it is. I wouldn't be as involved or encouraged by it, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to never stop dreaming.